How to make PowerPoint slides advance automatically. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in this video we will learn how we can make PowerPoint slides advanced automatically without having to press a key in the keyboard. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, open up your presentation. Once you have opened your presentation, head towards the menu bar or the toolbar at the top. From there, click on Transitions. Now head over to the upper right corner and here make sure to click on this tick mark that says After. Now here select your preferred time for the slides to execute and begin the next slide. So for now, I will just select the 5 seconds. Once you have done that, click on Apply to All. And the timing or this time will be applied to all of your slides. If you want to select different transitions here, that as well. If not, just stay with None. Now, if you present your presentation slides will advance, or your presentation slides will advance automatically. So that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.